Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docents DigitalesTV. You are about to watch the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible. No complicated lessons, no stress. Just listen carefully and watch the video multiple times to improve your understanding and learning. Today, we are going to answer a fun and interesting question. Why do Americans drive on the right side of the road? You may have noticed that in some countries like the United Kingdom, people drive on the left, but in the United States, it's the opposite. Let's explore the reasons behind this and how it became part of American culture. The practice of driving on a particular side of the road goes back to ancient times. In medieval Europe, most people traveled on the left side because it allowed right-handed people to defend themselves with a sword if needed. However, in the 1700s, with the invention of large wagons pulled by teams of horses, things started to change, especially in the United States. American farmers used big wagons to transport goods. These wagons had no driver's seat, so the driver would sit on the left rear horse to keep their right hand free to whip the other horses. Sitting on the left side made it easier to judge oncoming traffic and avoid collisions. Because of this, people started driving on the right side of the road to see better and pass safely. In 1792, Pennsylvania passed the first law requiring drivers to stay on the right, and other states quickly followed. By the early 1800s, right side driving was common in most of the United States. Later, when cars were invented, manufacturers like Ford placed the steering wheel on the left side of the car, making it natural and safer to drive on the right side of the road. Today, about 65% of the world's countries drive on the right side, while the remaining 35%, including the UK, Australia, and Japan, drive on the left. The choice often depends on history, tradition, and colonial influence. But in the United States, driving on the right became part of the country's identity, shaped by practical needs and early transportation habits. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Now you know why Americans drive on the right side of the road and how it became a national standard. Don't forget to subscribe to Docents DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video, which is essential for reinforcing what you've learned and improving your mastery of English and American culture. Give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and continue creating high-quality content for you. See you in the next video.